Good evening, I'm Tiro, and this is a video tutorial on how to use DScaler. DScaler is the second program I recommend for recording your video off your capture card. However, it's more useful for watching off your video capture card. So, let's go. Okay, we'll start up DScaler, and automatically it asks to configure your capture card. You can hit auto detect. It doesn't recognize mine, but other maybe more brand name cards are here in the list or will be detected quicker. But like I said, sorry about that. It is a robust program, so it can handle, even my unknown one. Afterwards, it requests for the sound configuration. If you go to the actual mixer, you have to set the one for your card. So in my case, it's CD player. Also note that there is no option for stereo mix. This is fine because DScaler does not touch the volume control panel here in the background. So, I'm still set to stereo mix and it will still record it even though it's handling elsewhere. Second thing you may notice is that there's no picture, but you hear music, but I see a picture. The reason is DScaler only uses an overlaid method, so basically this here is just the transparent pixels that the desktop is recognizing, but the graphics card has an image. I can't change that, so sorry about it. Okay, so here for sources we can choose various capture cards or devices if they were to have appeared. Right now I have it set to unknown card. If I were to set it here to my capture card, it would use the direct show driver, and that's very poor and will cause DScaler to crash on my computer. Might not for yours, but play around. After sources, the next thing is the second menu is always for the options for your capture card. So here, we have choice of S-Video or S-Video Composite, our country code format, pixel width, and all this other good stuff. It also has an option to reset the capture card to its defaults with Windows. Virtual VCR did this automatically, but here it's manual for DScaler. And now for the recording. You will find it under Actions, and here you have pause, start, and stop the video, and recording over here. Record and stop. You have to use these hotkeys or select it from the menu, so you need Shift R, Shift S. There's no buttons like in Virtual VCR to do that quickly. If we go to options, we have the settings. So if you want to do compression, here it is for video and audio. It doesn't let you compress for audio. And you can choose your codecs and configure it here as normal. But as you notice, it automatically sets it to a certain resolution, color scheme, and ratio. You do not have those video options as you do with Virtual VCR or Virtual Dub. It just DScaler's for watching TV, not really, recording. But, as I said, it's a robust program, so it's useful in different situations. Here we can set the destination for where we want to create our video files. It has an automatic increment, so your first video is, video 1, then it's video 2, video 3, etc. You don't have to worry about timestamps or anything. Here we can set the size of the video, so we can do 4 gigabytes if we have FAT32 hard disk space. And here we have the recording heights, and this needs a little explanation. With normal video and TV, they have a technique called Interlacing where it only shows half the video at a time. And here it's going to record, or has the option to record only half the video at a time. So here's what it is on the half sequence. It only takes what they call the even line, so every other. And it comes out squashed. You can't see the detail, but there's little, actually no, there would be no sawtoothing here. However, it does have the option to do a full screen record and not be squashed. As it says, it takes more information, but we're using a fast codecs and fast computers and settings, so it's not a problem. And here we can see a demonstration of a deinterlacing where there's this giant jagged line, because this is the point where this is the old video and up here is a new video, so it's coming down, replacing itself. And these little sawtooths are the fact that it replaces it by every other line. Okay, back to DScaler. I didn't close it. So yes, when we want to record, we want to do a full height. And we have the color format here. YUY2 is recommended because it's faster, even though not a lot of programs are compatible with it, but for the recording and your encoding, it's fine. Now for the other stuff, or the more interesting TV things. Here we have channels that if we were to set it to a TV tuner, we would scan and change the channel. Here are the various views for the thing, whether it's on top or on bottom, or various overlays. Here under the de-interlace method window, you have all the algorithms for de-interlacing. There's tons of them, but here I recommend Greedy 2 Frame or Tom's MO Comp. They're pretty good and fast and efficient. The other ones are more for half scan lines, so they're not very good, but they're more for if you want to study, de-interlacing methods. Here we have filters where we can add extra details to display. It's not necessary for recording, but it's there for if you want to put this on a projector or, big TV screen. Aspect ratio, here we have various options for that. This is mostly used to get rid of the black sidebar, or play around with the black sidebars you have in the videos, like here and here. So you can do, anamorphic pan and scan, all that other good stuff. Yet again, for displays. Here we have settings. They have things for card calibration. I don't find it useful because you have to have the right test pattern on, which DScaler does not provide, but it uses common ones. The one that you can use though is the video adjustments, and here we have the brightness, contrast, hue, so we can set it just like with Media Player Classic or Virtual VCR. But like I said, I prefer Media Player Classic because you can get the proper sidebars and zoom in a little bit more easily. And data casting is for extra information with XML, such as getting like TV guides or doing closed captioning. Not necessary, but that's there if you want to explore it. And that, in a nutshell, is DScaler. So, until next time, I'm Tiro, and have fun making videos. See ya!